Children, please open your classwork book to page number 112. Draw and subtract. 6 minus 6. Children, remember, when you cut or minus the same number as the original number, your answer will always be 0. Here 6 is the original number and you are minusing 6 from the original number, which is the same. So the answer is 0. Now we are done with subtracting same numbers. Now we move on to different numbers. Now here we have 7 minus 2. Now watch what I do. Since we have 7, I am going to draw 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2. So we have to take away 2 balls. So I am cutting 2 balls. Now let us count the number of balls which are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are left, which means 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So our answer is 5. Now here we have 3 minus 1. I am going to draw 3 suns. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1. So we have to take away 1 sun. So I am cutting 1 sun. Now let us count the number of suns which are left. 1, 2. So 2 are left, which means 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So our answer is 2. Now we have 9 minus 5. I am going to draw 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 5. So we have to take away 5 apples. So I am going to cut 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us count the number of apples which are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are left, which means 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So our answer is 4.